The Belconnen trunk sewer project is an important project to Icon Water. Why are we undertaking it? Well, we're augmenting the trunk sewer that services not only the Belconnen region, but it also services half of Gungahlin and also the Hall area as well. So it is a critical asset for Icon. The reason why we're undertaking this work is that there's been a lot of growth within the catchment. We need to keep up with that population growth and we need to be planning for the future. Also, we need to ensure ongoing compliance and make sure that we continue to meet standards and regulations. So the project really involves 4 projects in one. It involves the construction of a trunk sewer pipeline, which is 2.4 kilometres in length and 1.2 metres in diameter. So it's a large pipe. It extends from Copland Drive in the east to Tillyard Drive in the west. It's constructed mostly using conventional open cut trenching techniques. However, there are some sections where we are actually tunnel boring, which means we drill ahead and then we push the pipe into place. And so there's 2 sections. There's a 70-metre section under Kingsford Smith Drive. There's also a 200-metre section under a sensitive environmental area, just to the east of Kingsford Smith Drive. Also, we're constructing a large sewer bridge across Ginninderra Creek, which is 170 metres in length. And finally, we're constructing 4 odour control units, which will provide ventilation for our sewer assets. An odour control unit performs 2 main functions. Firstly, it provides ventilation of the trunk sewer to prevent corrosion within the sewer pipes. It then treats the air that is extracted from the sewer through an activated carbon vessel that absorbs the odours. The air is then safely released through a tall ventilation stack. Now, the units have been designed to comply with stringent environmental codes, and this has been verified with detailed air dispersion modelling. The odour control units also contain a lot of sophisticated instrumentation, and they will be monitored and controlled from our operations centre. The project is subject to stringent environmental approvals, and there are many environmental controls that we've put in place. Trenchless construction is being used to avoid impacts on a large, sensitive environmental area where we have natural temperate grassland and golden sun moth habitat as well. At the pipe bridge, we have a temporary water filtration system so that only clean water leaves our construction site. There has also been about a 20% reduction in the number of trees removed along the pipeline corridor, and this has been achieved just through good and smart engineering design. And at the odour control unit sites, we are planting 2 trees for every 1 tree removed. The project delivers several benefits to the community. Firstly, we're ensuring that our sewerage assets are efficiently maintained and augmented to service the community not only now but well off into the future. Also, by investing in odour control units, we're reducing the likelihood of odour issues and impacts on the community. Another aspect of the project is that we're able to then remove 9 legacy or existing ventilation stacks from around Belconnen, which is then reducing the sources of further odour complaints.